How to treat hookworms in dogs. Hookworms are tiny parasites, measuring around 3 mm in length, that infect the intestines of dogs, as well as cats. Despite being so small, hookworms suck a lot of blood and can exist in large numbers in your pet. Because of this, it is important to get the problem treated before it causes serious, life-threatening anemia in your dog. Identifying hookworms. Look for signs your dog has itchy feet. In a heavily infested environment, the very first sign might be a dog that is troubled by itchy feet. This is because of the larvae can move from the ground and migrate through the skin to infect the dog. This causes inflammation and irritation in the paws. Pay attention to bouts of diarrhea. In adult dogs, the most common sign is diarrhea, which is also bloody. Diarrhea can be a sign of a variety of medical problems in your dog. If your dog has repeated diarrhea, you should get the dog looked at by a veterinary professional. In adult dogs, the hookworms anchor to the lining of the small intestine and secrete an anticoagulant, which stops blood clotting. This means not only does the dog lose blood when the hookworm feeds and sucks blood, but after the hookworm detaches there is continued blood loss from the site of attachment. This is why the dog's stool is usually bloody. Look for the signs of anemia. When sufficient blood has been lost, the dog becomes anemic. To check for this, look at the dog's gums, which should be a healthy pink color. Keep an eye out for the signs of exhaustion and fatigue. If anemia goes undetected and untreated, the blood becomes so thin that the heart races and the dog becomes weak. This means that the dog could easily collapse due to slight exertion. The breathing is also often rapid and shallow, and unless treated the animal may die. Look for symptoms in puppies. Puppies can be infected before birth via the mother's placenta, and also through her milk when they suckle. Puppies born with hookworm infections often fail to thrive, grow poorly, and their coats are dull and starry. They may have persistent diarrhea, and can die from blood and fluid loss. Because a puppy's system is so fragile, it's important to take them to the vet at the first sign of any illness. This would mean the difference between life and death.